Welcome back. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Cathy. And today we have
the Great Towel Challenge.
the NanoTowel.
Ooh.
And we had a request for these. I have had these for about a month now and have been using them.
Really? They look brand new.
Well, this one is new. The other ones have been washed many times.
Oh yeah, now I can tell. Okay, the top one looks brand new.
So what the NanoTowel is supposed to replace your paper towels. And probably about 5 years ago, I was really trying to, be very frugal.
How many years ago?
Probably about 5.
Yeah, I remember that.
So I was looking at because I hate spending money on paper towels because, I always get them on sale. I make sure I'm on sale and usually a coupon.
You could spend that as you prefer to find things that are environmentally friendly.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was trying to do. That too. So, in the research I did, I found that you can make your own. So, Rachel's rolling around on this.
Sorry, that's awesome.
So I found some.
I remember when you did that too.
Yeah, I cut all these up, and I did not sew the edges. Okay, so the problem, first of all.
Wait, stop. Have you sewn the edges on some of these?
I did. The ones I actually used.
Okay.
These I had cut and had planned to sew, and I just never got around to it.
These are very soft. What are they?
I don't remember.
Okay.
But anyway, because a lot of the dish towels you can buy, they're not very absorbent. They don't.
Yeah, they're not.
It just moves the water around.
Yeah.
Because I use a lot for drying dishes and stuff. A lot
and
of times
cleaning.
I'll grab a paper towel instead of a towel because it doesn't absorb. So anyway, I looked up, these making your own paper towels, and I did this for a while, but then it got kind of, they got stained and it. But anyway,
did they get the mildewy smell at all?
Not really, because I washed them.
Oh yeah, you wash them often, yeah.
So, but also another interesting thing I found out when I was finding these. There's people that
I know. Oh God.
that use the family cloth. Now think about, besides paper towels, what other paper products you might use that kind of can be, you pretty much flush. But it's called the family cloth. So I'm not going to explain that. If you just want to Google that, you can do that.
The family cloth, singular?
I thought you knew what I was talking about.
Yeah. TP?
Yeah.
But they all share it?
Don't share it. You just it would
have
be like
your own
this,
with your name?
No, you would just each time you would get a new. They would just be washed.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, so I did not do that. I draw the line.
Oh, I'm so glad. I don't know if I could be friends with you after.
I draw the line.
Kidding, just kidding. But
so on.
Well, if any of you guys do that, comment below. Maybe.
Good for you.
Way to help the environment. That's awesome.
So. I thought, okay, so the NanoTowels, they're 4 for $24.99.
Okay.
I did get them on Amazon. Then I thought, okay, they're not microfiber. Nanolon Fiber it's a new, yes, it's a revolutionary fabric technology that is 100 times finer than one human hair. Okay. So I got a package of basic microfiber. Just see the difference.
And they were 8 for
on Amazon
17.
you get them for 8 for 17. These I think I got them for like $3.50 at Publix, but and I have been using. I was trying to compare the two, and I will say these are definitely more absorbent.
Okay.
Like for drying dishes, because I'm bad about drying dishes, grabbing a paper towel, especially coming out of the dishwasher. If there's still things didn't get dry all the way, I would use it. So I guess the comparison, besides having the more fibers, because supposedly the microfiber has 50,000 fibers per square inch, where this has 100,000 fibers per square inch. And supposedly these will last like around 50 washes, and this will last between 300 and 400 uses. So I guess that's washes, which is between 2 and 3 years. It does have a 1-year warranty.
That's
on these.
awesome.
It captures dust, lint, dirt, and grime like a magnet without toxic chemicals.
It reminds me kind of the Norwex, those kinds of things.
So it says clean virtually anything with just water. I don't know. I've been having a hard time. I'm like, how am I going to review these? I don't know why. I think it's the cleaning without harsh chemicals, I guess. That they saying you can just clean with water. I don't.
You don't trust
just
it.
cleaning with water. But I would, you know, if you don't want to use any harsh chemicals, you could just use vinegar and water. And I have done that. So we are gonna do a few tests, and
You're gonna make me clean? Just kidding.
this is how I'm gonna get Rachel to clean my house. So let's give it a try.
All right, so
So to be equal, in the commercial or in the ad, they did,
is it a soak?
yeah, you're just gonna soak it in. So these are 14 by 14. This was 12 by 12. So I did give her 8 ounces of water. I'm gonna do 10 ounces of water. And the way they did it, they put it in there, it soaked it all up, and it didn't even drip.
Okay,
So
so let's
give it a try.
give it a shot. Yeah. You don't use fabric softener with these.
Do not use fabric softener.
No, no, no.
You
Or
can
bleach.
wash. You can wash and dry. Just do not use.
And don't iron either, it says.
Why in the world would I iron?
Well, I
Hey,
don't.
it did absorb it.
Okay, so
It's not dripping.
I've been working this around.
No drippage.
This is running out.
So, okay. I think an absorbent, this obviously wins.
Holy cow. And there's even, looks like some dry spots on that, but
Let's see. Oh, that's all right. I can wipe it up.
oh my gosh, Kathy.
So that's pretty good. All right,
Because
so,
I can't let her make a mess by herself. You can get that too. Look at it. Look at that. Wait, there's some in here.
So that's pretty good. I mean,
Huh.
so as you can see, this is definitely more absorbent than these. And
Yeah.
I have been using these and these to dry dishes, and there is a difference. These
Really?
definitely
They hold
win.
more?
Yeah, these definitely win. So on to our next,
The next test.
the next test.
Okay.
So one of the things they did was on a mirror. So we have some makeup, some lipstick, toothpaste. They said you could just use a wet Nano and it should wipe off. Let's see. So this is mascara. Oh. Okay, that worked well. It says, you know, since they're so big, you can keep folding them over. And, oh, this is the test here. I might cry. It says all those fibers get down in there, shit. Seriously.
So everything but the mascara. Is it waterproof mascara?
Maybe.
That might be why. I don't wear waterproof. That's why I was wondering. And this is why I don't wear
I'm not
it.
sure which one I put on there.
That'd be funny. Okay, so it works on everything but waterproof mascara. You'll have to get the oily remover.
So
to
they
get off.
say that you know, but I don't know if I love it for mirrors and windows because see, it's still like lint.
Yeah.
And that they do make special ones that are made for glass and mirrors. So
I've yet to see even those that
yeah, it
don't
just,
leave lint.
Yeah,
So.
that bothers me. But it said you can remove permanent marker.
Huh.
So I'm going to try that on a different mirror and see.
Okay.
It's coming off.
Yeah.
But yeah, all the lint. I'm not happy with the lint.
You may have to get a razor blade and scrape that.
No, I won't.
I know.
I got
No
it.
chemical with that. Yeah. You finally got it. Yep. There you go.
Okay, so oh, you can see it. It also says it removes permanent marker.
Now, I did not write my name on there. I didn't.
So if it doesn't come off, Rachel's in trouble. So she's gonna.
Yeah, sure. I'm going to give it a try. Oh.
Oh, it's coming off.
Came right off. Look at that.
Where's the other one with it?
Well, there's still a little bit left, so let us look and see. Well, actually,
It's not coming off.
no. Let's try this again. Yep. Got it all off.
So obviously there's a difference.
Yep. There's a difference. Well, cool. Yes.
Things I don't like is that hair gets stuck in them.
Oh, yeah.
And
Oh, yeah,
that-
there's one right there.
Yeah. So even, you know, I wash them by themselves,
Really?
but it's like you know,
there's
having
hair.
longer hair, there's going to be hair. But it gets stuck in the fiber, so I guess it really does grip the fibers. Anything that you would use a paper towel for, you could grab these.
Right.
And they say since they're so big, you can, you know, fold them and keep
going. Yeah.
Keep going. And you know, you rinse this out. And I have used them for a while, and I didn't notice them smelling. So that's good. You know how like a dish towel or something to get that funky smell.
Yeah, the funky smell.
And it hasn't done that. So
cool.
I could say they're worth the cost. They were $24.99 for 4. So I have used it for dry dusting too. That works well.
You can't complain?
I can't complain. It just, I guess I can't get over the fact that cleaning without
chemicals.
Or just cleaning with water.
Right.
Not harsh chemicals, just water.
Right.
So that I just, to me, no, that's not going to sanitize something, you know, if you're in the kitchen, that's not.
Well, you know, it might be fun, like, not fun, but useful for, like car interiors. I know when I've wiped that down, sometimes I've used a microfiber cloth. Yeah.
So it grabs it and holds on to it.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with them. I'm surprised it came off the door the way it did, the mirror.
Yeah, it came off really easily.
Not that I'm going to have makeup and toothpaste and everything all over my mirror, but if you did,
you'd be sad.
The Nano towel would take it off. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up.
I think I want some for my house, so I'll give it a thumbs up too.
That's saying a lot.
Not that I'm going to be cleaning, but I could use them for like for the kids when they're unloading the dishwasher, because you know sometimes the plastic really collects the water.
That's where I have used them the most.
Really, it's the dishes.
It's the dishes, yeah.
Yeah.
So and has saved me
the paper towels.
The paper towels.
Yay.
So anyway, if you have used the nano cloth or micro, you know, I can't really compare it to the micro because I think this is better than the microfiber.
Yeah, I would compare it to like a Norwex. I can't believe I said that, but a Norwex cloth. Yeah. I do have some of their products. Some of my family has had parties before.
Those are all.
They're the same concept. You use water to clean,
but it's only available through
this. Through distributor. So, but it's kind of a similar concept. I do think this cloth is bigger than that one. I should have brought mine.
They actually have these for. They have the body. They have the bigger ones for your body.
Oh yeah.
Actually, for this too, they said you could use it for your hair and your face. But like again, I wouldn't use it to dry my hair because I don't want the hair stuck in.
It's kind of the texture of remember the face erase that we use.
It is, and they do sell that as a makeup remover.
Really?
So it's
I bet it's the same concept.
Yeah.
Now, I do have a dust mitt that's made out of something similar. It's a Norwex product. I do think this is bigger. I would never let my children have my Norwex cloths to dry.
How much?
I can't remember what they were, but I still wouldn't let them have them to clean with. So it must have been
too expensive.
And I bought it a while ago, but I wouldn't let them use them. But I would let them use these, probably because of there's 4 of them versus the one that I have of the other. I think I got a set with like a window cloth, a duster, and the clean with water one. So
this one has the body. It says you can use this for stainless steel, but there's also a separate stainless steel
specific for stainless steel. Yeah, stainless steel is kind of a pain. I mean, you've got it. I've got the black stainless steel now. Yeah. You know, it's.
Then they also have a nano sponge, for like dishes. The maker review, and one for if you have one of the Swiffers. This will fit around this to clean the floors with. And I have done that, and that works pretty well.
But it'll get the hair too.
It'll get the hair.
Maybe there's a trick to that. We should.
Maybe because that's my only.
That's your gripe.
Is the hair.
Yeah.
But because it's kind of like gross, it's ew.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even though it's my hair, it's still ew.
You're so funny. But anyway, if you have used something, if you've used the NanoTowels or you've used something similar, please comment and let us know below. If there's something you would like to see us review, comment that too.
Yes.
And
if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.